Honourable members, I now propose the question, which is that the Finance Bill, National Assembly Bill number 14 of 2023 be now read a third time. 1 minute. I'll give you 1 minute.
Yeah, please, Mr. Speaker, thank you very much. And I also want to take this opportunity to thank the honorable members for the way we have aggressively participated in the debate and passage of this bill. And I also want to thank our members on this side who have stood firm against all odds to make sure that they oppose all draconian and offensive clauses in the bill. I am happy that we were allowed to debate freely in the House. We gave our opinion. We were allowed free debate on this bill, as much as controversial as we were. But one factor that has remained constant, Mr. Speaker, in this chamber in the history is that all controversial bills, I don't know, for strange reasons, and surprisingly, are passed at night. From the political parties bill, the BBI bill, and now this controversial one is, all of them are passing at night, Mr. Speaker, for strange reasons. I don't know why. I don't know why they're not passing during the day. I think it is, they like darkness for strange reasons. So, Mr. Speaker, we will try as much as possible next time. Controversial bills, we pass them during the day. We will try our best. But I want to say that, members, this bill, as we said it in the second reading, was very controversial. I pray and hope that this bill is going to unite the country than divide the country.
Thank you.
Some of the clauses that are inside this bill are very emotive. For the government side, I will pray for you. For the opposition side, we will do our watchful eye out there to make sure that you don't transgress in any way. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Honourable Junet. It's important to know that many great things happen at night. Honourable members, I now put the question, which is that the Finance Bill, National Assembly Bill number 14 of 2023 be now read a third time. As members of that opinion say aye. Aye. Will those of the contrary opinion say nay? Thank you.